Hello, welcome to episode 3 of Investors Mindset. My name is Sean, and today we're going to talk about the stock market going crazy today. The S&P 500 is currently down almost 2%. The NASDAQ is currently down 3.3%. I'm going to talk about what caused this dip, the Federal Reserve bombshell that is just destroyed the market today, and what you can do to protect your portfolio. So let's get into it, guys. So today, the Federal Reserve announced that during its December meeting, announced plans that it was going to start cutting back the amount of bonds that is holding as early as March and April. And if you see in this kind of Federal Reserve, if you go to this website, the Federal Reserve puts wheels in motion to balance sheets in reduction. So we already know that interest rates are currently unsustainable, and we know that they have to be increased sometime in the future. But now you add this bond dumping as early as March and April, investors like myself kind of got scared, and that's what caused the decrease in the market today. So what can you do to kind of protect yourself from these market dips? So one of the first things that I would say is reduce the amount of margin that you're spending is one. If you're doing any options, currently cut the amount of options that you're going to be doing at least these next couple weeks. And the next thing is don't do as many risky swing trades or hold stocks that you see growing in the future. So hold less riskier stocks, if that makes sense. And just buy the dip and be prepared to possibly hold long term. We're going to see how the market responds tomorrow when it opens and how things are going to happen these next couple of weeks in the stock market. So I'm just learning and examining the stock market just as you guys are doing as well. So with that being said, let's get into my portfolio and see the hit that my portfolio took today with this news. So currently during after hours, you can see that today I am down $816. So all my profits basically that I made over the last 2 days in the stock market have just been wiped out. For the week, we're up only $265. For the month, we're up $3,065. For 3 months, we're up $4,000. And for the past year in this account, we're up $5,000. So today, like I said, my option plays literally were obliterated. Shake Shack, if you go back to the video that I had Monday, was up $300 in this play. Now we're currently down $50 almost, holding these 7 contracts. I still believe in this company, and I'm not going to add any contracts to this position. However, I'm just going to hold this position, hold steady, and see how the market responds in the next couple of days. So Charging Point has been getting hit as well. I'm still currently up just $2 in this position. Lyft. So as you guys know, I've been swing trading Lyft for the last couple of weeks. I'm currently down almost $1,000. Luckily, I did take profit in Lyft. So although you see that it says I'm down $943, that's not completely correct because I've been selling and buying, selling and buying, selling and buying to basically protect some of my gains from situations that occur like this. So that's why you always take profit when profit is given. Don't completely take profit and wipe yourself completely out of your position, but sometimes you have to take profit when profit is given. And that's exactly what I've been doing. So we're going to continue to hold, probably continue to buy the dip and see how the market responds in the next couple of days. Then also, if you can see, my position in SoFi has grown. On the previous video, I only had 10 shares. Now with today's news, I bought 40 shares in the morning time, not thinking that the market was going to drop as low as it did during this Federal Reserve bombshell. So if you look, I'm currently down $30 in SoFi. The average price of SoFi is 14.13, and my average price is 14.76. But I really believe in SoFi. Once student loans start back, refinancing would start back, and come May, June, SoFi is going to be back in the 20s. So that's why I'll continue to hold SoFi. Like I said, they paid millions of dollars to have their name on the stadium in Inglewood, and I believe in the company, and we're just going to continue to hold. And it's only a small part of my portfolio anyway. Then Ford. So this is a position that I took today. Like I said, I literally just wanted to establish a position, and I had some leftover cash. So I literally bought one share at $24.61 just to see where things are at. I'm currently only down $1. With the Ford Lightning coming out and their pre-order sales doing as good as it did, I really think Ford is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to the EV sector. So with that being said, I purchased Ford. I'm going to be purchasing or dollar cost averaging into Ford over the next couple months and seeing how Ford does with their EV deliveries, and if they can match up to other EV companies like Tesla or Rivian. And we're going to see if they can even match up to GM's. So today, if you guys didn't hear the news, GM just released information on their new EV truck. So it's a good time to really start looking into investing in the EV sector, in EV trucks, in these American companies that have had long history building trucks. So we're just going to keep an open mind, continue to keep your eye on the stock market. And thank you guys for listening to Investors Mindset, episode 3. My name is Sean, and I'll be coming at you every Monday, Wednesday, Friday with these videos and other videos, information on how to invest and the journey to 100K. Thank you for listening.